Hello YouTube, JediMon 2005 here with S.H.Figuarts Kamen Rider Agito Machine Tornador. So let's get right to this, because this is going to be a good one. Let's cut into this tape. Alright, this is held together like something from Fort Knox. So there we go. Okay, this is wedged in here pretty good. Wait, here it comes. Yeah. Alright. Let's get this off. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright guys, here it is. This is fantastic. Fantastic. Here on the front is the picture of the bike, its name on the side, and on every which side. On the back, a picture of the bike. Let's get this up close so you can see good. Agito riding the bike. Agito on the special stand it comes with. And that's right, it transforms into the hoverboard. And Agito riding said hoverboard. And then a picture of everything in this box. So let's get this box open. Alright. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, and there's tape. Oh, that's helpful. That's helpful. Let's get the key. Goddamn tape. Make my day much better. I've already looked like a tard in 2 videos. And now the tape's going to be uncooperative. Well. Goddamn. Alright. This is just fucking ridiculous. Fantastic. Now pieces have gone everywhere. Fantastic. Alright, well. Okay, that's a piece to the stand. That's a piece to the stand. These were pieces to the stand. Put those there. And those goes here. And this back here. Okay, these are motorcycle riding hands for Agito. And this, oh wow, this has heft to it. This is a bike. We're going to hold on to that for a minute later. Here we go, the stand with the giant Agito logo on it. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful stand. Alright. Let's move this. Let's move this, okay. Alright, here's the bike. Wow. Pictures do not do this justice. Video does not do this justice. You need to see it up close to get the full effect. It is just magnificent. Oh, God. Okay. It's got a little kickstand so we can stand it up. And let's grab ground form Agito. As promised, he is back. He is excited. He beat the crap out of the guy who stole his lunch, and now he wants to ride his bike. So let's get these riding hands on him. Do 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 do. That's one. And the other. Alright. So, let's see. Vroom vroom. Look, he's excited already. Alright, let's go on, he says. Alright, let's get that hand's on. Somewhat. That hand is on. And he is ready. He says, "Suck it, Kuga. I have a bike and you don't." Alright. So, here's Agito. You can see his hands on the handlebars, ready to kick some ass and run you down if you steal his lunch. Now, let's pull him off for the moment. I know, you have to go over here. And we are going to attempt to transform this friend. So, let's... Okay, that's sweet. Okay, the whole bike just slides apart like that. Okay, you can see it's now like double the length it was. Or so. I don't know if double. But it's a pretty good length. Let's see. Where does it fold? We'll put the kickstand back up. Okay, these. Let's see. I know this does something. Okay, the front wheel pulls, and we're gonna have to turn it like this. And you can see there's a little hinge, so you'll know which way it has to turn. And bend it up like that. Alright, now let's attempt the same with the back wheel. Come on. You can do it, little buddy. Okay. Let's refer to the picture on the box. That always helps. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Does this pull out? Oh, break it. Alright. Mm-hmm. So they do pull out. Okay, the two exhaust pipes pull out for you to turn the back wheel. Okay, you turn the back wheel this way. What does it say A and B? I don't have an A and a B. Ah! Oh god. Oh god, we're gonna pop that back on at some point. Okay, we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. But oh Jesus Christ. Okay. There we go. Okay. No worse for the wear. Okay. So here we have Machine Tornador in slider mode. And we'll set it right there. And it shows Agito bravely standing upon it. Yeah, right. Like I can get him to balance. Couldn't get a damn staff in the other guy's hand. I'm gonna get him to balance on this thing. There we go. Alright, let's try and very carefully turn this so you can see it. It's like the rotating table at CS Toys. There we go. Oh, very nice. Definitely pick this up if you can. I got mine from CS Toys, in fact, along with that Trinity form I had in the last video. those are out of stock. Probably won't be able to get any more of those. You should probably hit up eBay. They will be quite expensive, especially this, because, I mean, damn. But, yeah, I'm out of time. So, rate, comment, subscribe. Agito's going to go chill on his bike, and we will see you next time with Go Sage Your Stuff.